Hello everyone! I just received these sun catcher kits today in the mail, and I did get these at no charge in exchange for this review. So let's go ahead and do it. So first of all, it comes with these two different patterns, a heart and a circle. It comes with the hanga material, and then these are just a little extra to put on there. Got little rhinestones and stars. Now look at this. These are actually the stones that you put on here. Now, you could do it two different ways. You could either do it on your own and just put whatever colors you want, or these actually have numbers on them. I don't know if you could see, yeah, you could see that. 12, 20, 13. Well, the stones over here are numbered. '20, 21. So they actually match up the colors with the pattern over here. So you could do it that way, you can match it, or you don't have to. You could just do whatever color you want. Now another thing that I was really impressed with were the baggies that they sent. They sent extra baggies in case, say you only wanted to do one. You're going to have all these open. You have somewhere to put this and not get everything, disorganized and messed up. It is just a complete kit, and I love that. When I go to craft stores, something's always missing and you have to buy an extra package of this or an extra package of that. So one thing that's really cool and why I got this is because I love doing activities with my nephew, and I'm always looking for something to do, and this is going to be perfect. And once you're done, you can put it in the garden, or you could even hang it on your car like an air freshener, but instead it's one of these hearts or circles. You could even put it on your fridge or a window. It's a really cool activity to have completed. So I really hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.